A katana. A blade forged through 1,000 hours of meticulous, repetitive, and intelligent effort. It is not made in a single, fiery moment. It is built layer by layer, its strength and sharpness the result of a flawless process. Your memory works the same way. You spend hours in a lecture, you cram before a test, and you wonder why the information is so brittle, why it shatters under pressure. It's because you are trying to cast a blade in a single mold. The masters know a better way. Today, we are learning the Japanese student routine for remembering everything. This is not a hack. This is a craft. It is the philosophy of Kaizen, continuous improvement. It is the daily ritual of the master swordsmith. Phase 1. The folding, the morning ritual. To create a blade of immense strength, a swordsmith folds the steel thousands of times, removing impurities and creating layers. You must do the same for your mind. This is the folding phase. Before you attend a lecture or start a new chapter, spend 15 minutes simply skimming the material. Do not try to understand it. Just look at the headings, the diagrams, the bold words. You are preheating your brain. You are creating the initial layers of familiarity and removing the impurity of the unknown. This simple act of priming makes your brain incredibly receptive to the information when you see it for the second time in class. Phase 2. The hammering, during the lesson. Once the steel is hot, the hammering begins. This is the active, energetic, shaping process. During your lesson, you are not a passive observer. You are an active participant in the forging of your own knowledge. You will use question-based note-taking. Instead of passively writing down what the teacher says, you will transform their statements into questions in your notes. If they say, the Treaty of Versailles was signed in 1919 and imposed harsh penalties on Germany, you write, what was the Treaty of Versailles? Signed 1919, harsh penalties on Germany. This active, hammering process forces you to engage with the material in real time. You are not just receiving information, you are shaping it into a format that is perfect for future testing. Phase 3. The quenching, the evening review. This is the most critical and most often skipped step. After the blade is shaped, it must be quenched. This rapid cooling locks the molecular structure in place, making it incredibly hard. Within a few hours of your lesson, you must quench your memory. Spend 20 minutes with your question-based notes from that day. Cover the answers and try to recall them from the questions you wrote. This immediate, active recall is the cognitive equivalent of quenching. It is the single most powerful action you can take to move information from your fragile, short-term memory into durable, long-term storage. Phase 4. The polishing, the nightly ritual. A blade is not finished after quenching. Its true potential is revealed in the final, daily polishing. This is your final ritual of the day. For just 5 minutes before you sleep, you will polish your knowledge. But you will not review today's notes. You will use spaced repetition. You will review the notes from yesterday, or 3 days ago, or last week. Use a simple flashcard app like Anki, or just look at your old notes. This gentle, daily act of polishing keeps your entire arsenal of knowledge in a state of perfect readiness. It is the secret to defeating the forgetting curve and achieving effortless, long-term recall.